How to add my computer icon on desktop in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to add my computer icon on desktop in Windows 11. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. On your system, left click on Windows icon. Click on Settings. Now, click on Personalization. A new window will appear. Click on Themes. Then on the right hand side you have to click on Desktop Icon Settings. To add this PC icon, click on the first option, Computer. As you can see, it's not checked, so you have to click on it. Now you have to click on Apply and click OK. Now if we go back, you can see this PC icon has been added to your desktop screen. This is the easiest method to add this PC icon on your desktop screen. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.